How to add your political views on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add your political views on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here and go down until you find settings and privacy, and then click settings and go down and you will find here profile information, and go down again until you find edit, and here all you need to do just go down and click this one and add your political views and click save, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.